So today I'm going to show you how to buy your first stock on SoFi Invest. So we're here on the platform currently, and what we're going to do is click onto our individual active investing account, which we have about almost $640 worth in the account. Now currently you can see with our buying power, we have currently 47 cents. So if we wanted to be able to buy something right now, we want to make sure that we add some cash into this account. Click on the add cash button right over on the top left side icon. Now what we're going to do is scroll down here a little bit. You can see what we currently have invested into this account. But if we want to go ahead and add something to this position, there's two different options. Either click one of the stocks we currently have available, which are these two in my investment account, or what we could do is click on the search icon right over here at the very top. So if we click on search, it's going to give us a lot of different options. If we wanted to make it simple, we can click at the very top with the search, type in the company or the symbol that you know of, so you can go ahead and buy. Or if you want to kind of scroll through, you can see what's popular or what's trending. But if you wanted to go ahead and say, let's say buy Tesla, you can go into the Tesla option right over here, and you can see where it says buy. So right over here, you're going to have either to add recurring investment, or you can click on the buy option. And right over here, it takes you to two different options. You can either buy by the dollar amount, or you can buy by the share amount. But if you go to shares right over here, you can see you can type in the amount of shares you want to buy. You can click on market order, or if you tap over here, you can click on limit order as well. So limit order just effectively allows you to buy at a more precise price point rather than the market order, which buys in at any price point that it's currently at, even if it's higher or lower than you were expecting it to be. Now, right over here, you can see with the limit order, you can put in the exact dollar amount. For the price point, with this stock right here, it is close to $678.90. And that will be the estimated cost. You can click on review and then it'll go into process. Now, of course, if you're doing this off market, that's okay for the limit orders, but the market orders you do have to put into while the market is currently active and open. Now, if you want to keep on learning more on how to utilize SoFi, I want you to click on my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.